Ate, go there. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Are you one?
Are you two? Are you three? Are you four? Are you five?
Yeah!
One more.
Everybody sit down.
Ray, sit down.
Sit down. Sit down, Ray. Sit down. Ray, take a seat.
Weren't they like underground or something?
Sige, ito, i-download mo rin. Video naman to.
Yeah, kasi may Facebook na siya. So, gusto na niya mag-picture-picture. Yeah. Kasi instant broadcast yun eh.
What will you say? Happy birthday! Wow! Very good! One more time. We'll say happy birthday, kid. Wow! How about you, Ate? What will you say?
Happy birthday.
I cannot see naman your face again.
Happy birthday, Caitlin. Happy birthday, Caitlin.
Very good. What's your wish? You don't know. Okay, think of it. I'll come back to you. What will you say, Bray?
Happy birthday, Caitlin.
What's your wish for Caitlin?
I don't know yet.
Okay, you think, okay? Okay, Kyle. What will you say?
Happy birthday. Louder. Happy birthday.
Caitlin? Say, what is your wish for Caitlin?
Say, I wish stay beautiful. Stay pretty. Stay pretty.
Okay, thank you. How about you, Miko? What will you say?
Happy birthday, Caitlin.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Caitlin.
Okay, what's your wish for Caitlin?
Stay
Stay
happy.
happy.
Very good.
Stop as wall with this tail.
Okay, now, do you have your wish now?
No.
Not yet? Huh?
I don't have any wish.
You wish for Caitlin. What's your wish? Stay as beautiful as you are. Or I wish you what?
Happy birthday.
Okay. How about, do you have already? Okay.
That you will be a very good sister.
Very
She
good.
will stay very happy.
Okay, thanks, Ate. How about you? How about you? What will you say?
Happy
birthday, Caitlin.
And what's your wish for Caitlin?
Many more birthdays to come.
How about you? What will you say? What will you say? Happy birthday, Caitlin. I love you. Okay, say I love you, Ate Caitlin. Okay. How about you, Bridges? Hey, Bridges. Bridges. What will you say?
Happy birthday, Caitlin.
What's your wish?
I wish you have a great birthday and many more to come.
Okay. How about you? What will you say?
Caitlin. I love you. Stay beautiful.
Okay. How about you, Mike?
Happy birthday, Caitlin.
Okay. How about you, Daddy? What do you say about Caitlin?
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Caitlin.
And what's your wish for Caitlin?
Always be good, girl.